Hi, this motor I'm showing you is a 7.5 horsepower Johnson. It's an AD10, probably somewhere out of the late 50s. You can see it pumps water just fine. I'll put it in forward, put it in reverse, back to forward. Shifts just fine. The guy I bought it from kept some extra pins right there in case he needed a shear pin. The inside looks pretty clean. I'll throttle it up here a little bit for you. It seems to idle real well. I'm going to stop the motor here and then pull the rope. Show you how easy it is to start. Started on the second pull. I think it's a medium length motor. This would be a nice sized motor for trolling for fishing. Could make a good duck hunting motor. Or if you kind of like the looks of the classic older motors, this is a nice looking unit. Everything looks in pretty good shape on it. I'll be posting some more pictures and listing this on Craigslist and possibly eBay. Thanks for watching.